Today we're going to check out the shopping in Guangzhou. On Time is like Uber in the West. It's owned by Tencent, one of the largest tech companies in China that also owns WeChat.
呢度都塞啊！咧即係唔知佢咩嘢，其實我想咁問。
悬卡经过，一个不留，一个不留。
In the fall and spring, the Canton Trade Fair happens, and at that time, a lot of foreign nationals flock to Guangzhou to wholesale markets like this to source products to import back home for resale. You can find that these wholesale markets range from electronic accessories to toys to leather goods to dollar store items that you can even find being sold on Amazon. Guangdong province is the manufacturing hub of China, and Guangzhou City, the capital of Guangdong province, is the trading hub. Unlike in North America, most shopping malls here are in high-rise buildings where the parking is underground. Typically, each floor has its own theme. So one floor will be full of women's clothing stores, another floor will have housewares, etc. Okay, we're just waiting for a table for lunch. The local cuisine here is Cantonese cuisine, which is quite famous worldwide, especially dim sum. So I've left a video below of some of the dim sum dishes that you should try out if you're ever in Guangzhou or Guangdong province for that matter. Beijing Road Pedestrian Mall is the most popular shopping district in Guangzhou. It's full of high-end stores, eateries, and shopping malls and movie theaters. And a lot of people come out here, especially at night, just to hang out.